Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be about my favorite quick, healthy and delicious smoothie that is great for children, toddlers and adults alike. I'm going to talk about also the components that make up a good smoothie, and we'll get started right here in the balcony as I harvest the greens. I've got silver beet and I've also got some carrot greens. If you've watched my balcony tour, you could see that the carrot greens have started to grow much more faster now that it's getting really hot. So I'm chopping off some of the carrot greens, washing them and draining and inserting also into the blender. I have a banana, I have some plant milk. Here I'm using some almond milk that I made at home. I also have some berries, a mix of berries, and I have some dates as well. I've got the greens which I'm going to add as well to the mix, and we'll get blending. So the best thing that actually makes a great smoothie is the creaminess, in my opinion, and the sweetness as well. So in this smoothie we have a lot of ingredients. We also have a lot of greens as well. Mind you, I'm going to split this smoothie for my children, and I'm going to pour it in small paper cups for them to enjoy. So I'm making a bigger batch, but if you're making for 1 or 2 people, then feel free to use whatever quantity you feel comfortable with, and also use whatever greens you have on hand. My main aim for this smoothie, apart from making it sweet and creamy, is to disguise the taste of the greens. I don't want my children to taste the greens, although they did join me in making the smoothies, but I would like to make it more on the sweeter side for them. It has a slight tint of green, but as you can tell, it is more towards the red side because we've used a lot of berries. We've used strawberries and raspberries. I'm going to serve it cold for them, and thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate every single one of you. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.